In this video, guys, I'm gonna be teaching you how you will make money online by literally listening to music on your phone. So if you're someone who loves to listen to music, or you're someone who is just a fan of music and literally are not literally making money from the music you're listening to, then this video is for you, because in this video I'm going to be walking you through how you can literally make close to 4,000 naira to 5,000 naira daily on your phone by simply listening to music on your phone. So if you know you haven't subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Make sure you hit the subscribe button right here, like the video so you won't miss out on any of my future video, because my channel right here is all about making money online. So if you know you're interested in making money online, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like the video. But before I literally dive in and show you guys the app that's going to be paying us right here to listen to music right here, I would like to show you guys some proof right here to tell you the app I'm about to show you right here, it's legit and they're going to be us real money. So you guys could see right here, this is the review right here from the app I'm going to be showing you to right here. You can see right here, this person gave this app 5 stars right here, and you can see right here, this person says this app it's legit and you can literally listen to music right here. You can watch video streams, play games, and they're going to be paying you a huge amount of money. And you can also see right here, this is another review right here from someone else right here, and this person says this app is legit right here and they pays you real money. So you guys could literally see the review for yourself right here to tell you the app I'm about to share with you right here. It's gonna be paying you right here to just listen to music on your phone. So if you know you haven't smashed that subscribe button right here, make sure you hit that subscribe button right here and like the video. And you can see right here, this app, good comment right here from this app right here. You can see right here, they are just giving this app 5 reviews. You can see right here, these are just reviews right here from people that have been using this app and have been making a lot of money for this. So you guys could see right here, the review just keep on going, 5 stars, 5 stars, legit app. You could see right here, the reviews keep on going right here to tell you how legit and trusted this app literally is. So all you need to do right here is to click on the first link in the description right here, and it's going to take you right here to the app right here to go download the app. And you can see right here, this is the app that's going to be paying us to listen to music right here on our phone. So the first thing you need to do right here is to create an account if you know you haven't created an account. So you could literally sign in using your Gmail account right here. You can see right here, you could sign in using your Gmail account, or you could either sign in using your email account. So all you need to do right here is you just click on, you have agreed with the terms and conditions. So once you're done with that, just click on sign in using your Gmail account, and it's going to take you straight to your Gmail account. So you'll be able to sign in using your Gmail account. So you could just choose any of your Gmail account that you know you want to sign in. So right here, I'm going to be signing in into one of my Gmail accounts right here. And I'm gonna see right here, we're done creating an account. You can see right here, this is how the app literally looks like. And you can see right here, there are videos where you could make money on this app. You could either make money by watching streams, you could make money by listening to music, you could make money by watching just simple clips right here, you could make money by taking quiz, you could make money by taking daily challenges, you could write your friends right here, and also you're gonna be making money. So right here, we are gonna be focusing on the music part, because that's what I promised you guys at the beginning of the video. So we're gonna be trying to make money right here listening to music. So all you need to do right here is to click on listening to music. So once you click on listening to music right here, they're going to prompt you right here to go download this app on your phone. So once you download this app on your phone right here, this is where you're going to be finding various of music that you could listen to. You're going to be finding various of genres you could listen to. You could listen to Afro pop, you could listen to hip hop, you could listen to various genres of music right here on this platform. And again, you could also make money right here by literally watching streams right here on their platform. You could make money by watching streams on their platform. You could also make money by also watching clips right here. You could also make money by taking quiz. So if you're someone who loves to take quiz right here, you could also make some cool cards for yourself. And by the way, you could also join the daily challenge right here. You could invite your friends. So once you invite your friends right here, you're gonna be getting 5% of all their lifetime earnings. You can see right here, this is how awesome this app literally looks like. So in order for you to withdraw your money right here, all you just need to come over to this section right here. Just head over to the withdraw section right here at the bottom right here. Just go over to the top right here corner. So once you click on the top right corner right here, you're gonna see different kind of payment method you could use to withdraw your money. You could either withdraw your money through PayPal, but if you are a Nigerian watching this video, PayPal is not allowed in Nigeria. But there are other various methods you could use to withdraw your money. You could withdraw your money through Bitcoins, Litecoins, Amazon gift card, and other kind of gift card right here. So if you are a Nigerian literally watching this video, what I'm going to advise you do right here is to withdraw your money through the Litecoin. So in order for you to get a Litecoin address, all you need to do right here is to go create a Binance account right here. Just go over to the Google Play Store right here to create a Binance account for yourself. You could just create an account. So once you create an account, you're gonna log in into your Binance account. So once you're already in your Binance account, all you need to do right here is to go over to your wallet section right here at the down corner right here. You're gonna see the wallet section right here at the down corner. So just click on the wallet section. So once you click on the wallet section right here, just head over to the sports right here, head over to the sports section and click on deposit right here. So once you click on deposit right here, then click on the search button right here at the top corner. That you could just search for Litecoin. So once you search for Litecoin right here, it's gonna bring up the Litecoin and where you'll be able to copy your Litecoin address. Then once you copy your Litecoin address from Binance, you just go over to the app right here and paste in your address right here. Then once you're done with that, just click on the save button. So once you click on the save button, you could just click on the withdraw button. So once you click on the withdraw button right here, the money is going to be sent into your Binance account. Then from your Binance account, you'll be able to trade this money right here. You could transfer the money into your local bank account. So if you know you have found the video helpful so far, make sure you hit the subscribe button right here, like the video. And by the way, if you want me to do a detailed video right here on Binance, literally walking you through how to use Binance, all you need to do right here to go down to the comment section right here and type in yes, create the video. And also, if you know you want to ask me any question, feel free to drop your comment in the comment section and I'm going to be answering all your questions. Like I said, if you know you found the video helpful, make sure hit the subscribe button right here, because my channel is all about making money online. And don't forget to go join our WhatsApp community group down in the description. I'm going to be leaving all the links down in the descriptions right here. If you know you want to learn more apps you could use to make money online, you could literally just click on the video right here, popping right here on your screen, and I'm going to catch you guys in the next